Welcome back, guys, to a brand new video. And we are back at SeaWorld Orlando, and literally just due to the high winds, you can see the sky tower. I actually watched it go right there and stop halfway up. So the high winds is stopping the sky tower from going up. That's not why we're here for. I heard some rumors that some spooky stuff has been going up. So I can't wait to get inside and actually take a look at this. See y'all inside. And they are getting ready to set up the main entrance in the Howl-O-Scream. So it is coming together nicely. Alright. Here's the parking lot for today as well. I'll see you guys inside the park. First up, it will be the SeaWorld store. Hopefully that's not how close to the high winds coming. Oh yes, all the 2024 stuff is gone. Halloween is up now, and I believe in 2 weeks time, I'm going to look at the board, but I believe in 2 weeks time it will start SeaWorld Spooktacular. More Halloween stuff right here. Oh, these are cute. And Howl-O-Scream merch. It looks like stuff from last year's artwork and designs. I think that this is new. Don't know what it is for 14 bucks, 15 bucks. So here is the board, and yep, like I was saying, the 31st, which is a Saturday. Makes sense. And there's Howl-O-Scream starting on the 6th, and these are going to be weekends only. I am somewhat taking a look right across where Pipeline is. I don't see nothing up for Carnival, which that scare zone is returning. That's all I can see. I don't see nothing over there yet. Kind of also just want to point out as well, on weekends, Friday, Saturday, they still do fireworks. So just be alert of that. And also, on the other side of the bridge, I know this is a Howl-O-Scream video, but that post right there, I want to guess it's going to be the sea of trees, so they're kind of setting up both Halloween and Christmas at the exact same time. Shows how high the winds are going right now. And then right where Mako is, you can see, we'll talk about that when we get over there. I can see things ahead of me now. Can you guys see them? So at Attitude Burger, if you guys look up, you guys can see that they added lights now. And also, they're preparing for Howl-O-Scream. Now this area is normally known for a show called Siren Scream, which I've seen only one time, but it's a good show. And they are setting this up nicely. It's gonna be all around us, so we are starting to see some stuff go up for Howl-O-Scream. And I'm liking seeing everything new stuff. I don't believe the house that's here is returning. Just for rumor updates. We'll talk about that later on in a different video on a different day. So on top of the glacier bar, looks like new lights were added recently. I think that light's been there before, but who knows? Just seeing the Halloween Horror Night stuff come out, Howl-O-Scream stuff come out. New things are coming up for the park, and we're bypassing Sesame Street, and we're taking the long way around. I am walking down this back path right here. for a couple of reasons. And it's not just to see the orcas, because they're actually getting ready for the show. But this is another scare zone. But honestly, I don't see anything out. I really don't. And there's really nothing indicating that they are getting ready to set this area up for the scare zone. Okay, I spoke too soon. It looks like a fog machine is out. And so that means that's just out and about. The rest are going to be hidden with inside of the bushes. But one fog machine, just this one area, interesting. I would like to walk down here, but like I said, I think the orcas are getting ready for the show. That's really cool that we saw one fog machine covered up. That was it. Another one sitting right there. So there's two. So there's going to be plenty more, I'm going to guess, hidden around. Now there's another scare zone in this area, general direction, but nothing's going on right now. Just to a couple things. Bands, brews, and barbecues is still going on. So when the event comes to an end, maybe then they'll start throwing stuff up here. That's just about it. Wow, the wind is really picking up. Well, let's make our way over right next to Infinity Falls, which looks like it's closed. An underwater grill. And yeah, Infinity Falls is closed. Piece of bullshit. But right next to Infinity Falls water grill is one of the newest haunted houses they're getting. You can see the barn right there. They are setting this up quite quickly now. And there's also a themed bar on the inside. So let's make our way on the inside as well. I'm gonna pause the video now. Here's normally where the bar is, theme bar is, and there you go, Howl-O-Scream. They're slowly, surely setting up for Howl-O-Scream now. So basically on this side, there's a glass panel right there that was showing more parts of the haunted house. Don't know why that glass isn't covered up, but there's people also eating there, so I wasn't gonna stick my camera right there. And another fog machine lies right there as well. I want to point out, Infinity Falls will not be open during Howl-O-Scream. It's just the roller coasters. And also at this amazing theater right here, where right now, like I said, bands, brews, and barbecue is going on. Something else is happening here as well. Kids may be back in school, but they still have bands on the weekends. The show that is coming over for Halloween it's gonna be Monster Stomp again. Same show, same everything. I think that's just about it. And once Bands, Brews, and Barbecue does come to an end, I don't know why I stutter there. Those switches already into Howl-O-Scream. So if you guys want to grab a snack, something to drink before you head inside to see the show, you guys can. Want something that's really spooky as well? There's a couple Gengars hanging out right there. Standing right outside of Fin Gifts. I've said there's construction going on. That looks kind of new. Looks like they just recently set that up as well. I'm not sure why. But the reason why I'm standing outside of the Fin Gifts think of the shark restaurant next to me, but there is rumored that the construction that they're working on is that there's going to be a haunted house right here. I'm not sure which one it's going to be, but yeah, it is rumored that there's going to be a haunted house back here. So you would have a scare zone here, and then a house right here. But nothing to yet because of the bands, booze, and barbecues. Probably one of the more traffic, more areas entering Sharks. It looks like an uncovered fog machine. So that'll probably get covered up. Probably overnight, or I'm gonna guess probably overnight. To where one of my favorite houses was, the Penguin Trek being emptied. To being no more a haunted house. Remember Blood Bronconese? I can't speak right now. This is no longer a SeaWorld haunted house. It is now, and this is just rumored to be a Chick-fil-A. And I'm also going to walk right here as well, because there is a scare zone right here as well. But I don't think they're going to use this as a scare zone anymore, knowing that there's no longer a house here, but who knows. Yeah. Well, we are over by Antarctica. You know, I'll just state the facts. I don't really think there's nothing coming over here for Howl-O-Scream. Maybe, but I'm just not 100% sure on it yet. Why does it look like some of these trees need to be like fixed up in some ways? I mean, I really think they can, just with the new bar here and all that fun stuff and the new attraction. But Penguin Trek's a family attraction, so I don't really think of nothing to do with it. And Penguin Trek is a 20-minute wait. Wow. Very cool to see that. So, SeaWorld just also announced a new house. We were the ones getting the new houses, and I think like same scare zones. Being in our 4th year, as in Busch Gardens is in our 25th year, and they're getting one new house. But so the new house is called Atlanta's Journey Below. I don't think it's going to be over in this section of the park, just due to the fact that this is where Spooktacular happens. So only time will tell. Going to be heading into the Coconut Bay Traders because more Halloween merchandise for sale out over here. I think a lot of this is just recycled stuff from last year. Pretty cool stuff. I've always wanted to have a thing called Bo. And a couple more stuff right here and in the back. This is in the QX section, by the way. But nothing even set up for Spooktacular yet, so hopefully something soon. Still got the 60th up. Looks like the high winds have somewhat calmed down, but I don't think so. Well, now that I'm leaving SeaWorld, doing my outro here because a little kid dropped his ice cream cone inside the park and was probably the most saddest kid ever. Crying and but we'll do that here. We're still more peaceful. But with that being said, I'm gonna end this vlog here and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.